Hello there, Narek is here. Today I'm going to solve the first exercise from first session 2015 chemistry. Chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers rich in three elements, nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, are substances added to soil to supply one or more plant nutrients essential to the growth of plants. The representation of the atoms of three elements, nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, are respectively N714, P1531, and K1939. Determine the number of neutrons in the nucleus of each of the above three atoms. So you need to use this formula, A is equal to Z plus N, and in order to find out the number of neutrons, N is equal to A minus Z. You already have A, the number of mass number, and you have Z, the atomic number. So for nitrogen, it will be 14 minus 7, 7. For phosphorus, it will be 31 minus 15, it will be 16. And potassium will be 20, 39 minus 19, 20. Deduce among the three atoms the one that has the greatest number of neutrons. It will be potassium, since you have 20. Phosphorus is found in fertilizer in the form of phosphate compounds. Write the electron configuration of phosphorus atom. So, since the phosphorus atom is electrically neutral, you will have 15 electrons. So you will have K2, L8, M5 as electrical configuration. Specify the placement of phosphorus element in the periodic table. So we have three energy levels, so it will be row 3 and it will be column 15 or group 5. The electron configuration of nitrogen atom is K2L5. Choose among the following Lewis electron dot symbol the one that corresponds to nitrogen atom. So K2L5, it means that I have 5 valence electrons on my atom, in the configuration of my atom. So 5 electrons will be represented as the representation B. I will have 3 celibator electrons. The chemical element nitrogen exists in nature as a diatomic molecule. Explain the bond formation in the molecule of nitrogen N2. So in order to form N2, you have 3 celibator electrons in front of other 3 celibator electrons. So each nitrogen is sharing its 3 electrons in order to form one covalent triple bond. And of course to obey the octet rule and to have a stable molecule. A bag of chemical fertilizer contains 1.17 gram of nutritive element potassium K. Calculate the number of moles of the element potassium in the bag, and the given molar mass of K is 39. So you have only one formula in order to calculate the number of moles. N is equal to small m over capital M. So it will be equal to 1.17 over 39, which is 0.03. This is the number of moles. Pick out from the text the benefit of adding chemical fertilizer to soil. So, adding substances, this kind of substance, it's to supply one or more plant nutrients essential to the growth of plants. So this is the main reason, and this is the benefit of adding chemical fertilizer to soil. That's all for this time. This was the first exercise of first session 2015. I hope it was helpful, so I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified whenever I upload new material, new videos. I can also share with you my Instagram and Facebook account. You can contact me directly or simply leave a comment below. That's all for this time, and see you later.